Show you about how to learn about Laravel on Mac and Nepal. We have at least 50 topic content here. From introduction to installing project structure, routing basis, controller, viewing blade and templating, middleware and equivalent ORM, then migration, seeder factory, validation form, authentication, authorization, database query, relationship of equivalent, Laravel mix of for assist, error handling, logging, testing, Laravel artisan command, service provider, facet, dependency injection, Laravel based practices, policy, model observer, custom artisan, advanced blade, Laravel vapor serverless, Laravel envoy deployment, then Laravel dual docs for browsing, Laravel Scott, Laravel password authentication, Laravel sanction for API, Laravel Nova for admin, Laravel Telescope for debugging, Laravel Horizon for queue, broadcasting, task scheduling, rate limiting, RESTful API, malwares, localization, file storage caching, notification query, event and listener, dependency, facet, service provider, testing basics, and error handling, mix assist. Okay, you can read all of this from our website. And if you are facing any difficulties, go here on chatbot. It will explain all of you about this. Okay, now I'm going to choose Laravel to upload here. Okay, now this much for today.